Hello everyone, we are Group 4. In this video presentation, you will be able to understand the speed of EM waves in different materials. For the objectives, identify materials that can block or allow radio waves to pass through. Compare the speed of EM waves through different materials. We will be needing RC car with controller, aluminum foil, plastic wrapper, paper, wax paper, cotton, and rubber gloves.
First, let's observe how fast the RC car moves by using aluminum foil. This is the experiment of this material. The next material we will be using is plastic wrapper. Let's see how fast it is. This time, we will be using paper. Observe how fast it is.
Next, let's now use and observe how wax paper works on RC car. Next, let's see how cotton works with the RC car. And lastly, let's see if the rubber gloves is slower or faster than the last 5 materials we use.
Now, from all the observations we had for each material, let's have a conclusion for each of them. First, aluminum foil. The RC car worked with that material, and the time we measured was about 3.6 seconds. From what we observed, the RC car went slowly, then it became faster, then in the end it became slow again, making it 3.6 seconds. Next, in plastic wrapper, the RC car worked with that material, and the time measured that we measured was about 3.36 seconds. The observation we have for that material is that at first it became slow, then in the end it became faster. Now, in paper, it's much more different from aluminum foil and plastic wrapper. The RC car worked with that material, and the time we measured was about 2.74 seconds, which we can tell that this is much more faster than the last 2 materials that we used. From what we observed, the car went quite smoothly at first, then in the end, it became slow. Next, in wax paper, the car worked with that material, and the time we measured was about 2.37 seconds. So this is much more faster than the paper. From what we observed is that the whole session of our experiment with that material, the car went smoothly, making it more faster and much more faster than the paper. Like, it doesn't have stop, it didn't stop, it didn't went slow, it just went smoothly, making it more faster. Now, in cotton, we observed there that the car went smoothly also, but in the end it got slower and slower, making it 2.82 seconds. And lastly, in rubber glove, it's quite similar with the cotton, but the difference there is that the rubber glove is maybe a bit slower than the cotton. At first, it was fast, then in the end, it got slower, making it 2.86 seconds.